Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm doing a tutorial on Enjoy the Silence by Depeche Mode. Now, I actually found a tutorial on YouTube back I don't know, maybe 12 years ago when I first was trying to learn this song. However, I cannot find that video anymore, and all credits go to that guy, but I'll show you how I play this song and how it was kind of taught to me, I guess. And hopefully, if that video ever comes up, I'll be able to link it. But otherwise, yeah, let's just get right into it. We'll start with the intro. So this song is in C minor, so C. And the first chord is big shock, C minor. The next chord is the E flat major. So you have these three notes, C, E flat, G. And now you're gonna take off this C and just move up. So E flat, G, and then this B flat. So the chords go C minor, E flat major, C minor, E flat major. And then for the right hand, we're going to be playing the guitar part, so it goes like this. So really simple. And then to piece this together, it's really simple. The chords are for four beats each time, and then the melody line is just follows accordingly. So here we go. Yeah, just practice that. If you need to check it out, just feel free to rewind, and yeah, that's the intro. Okay, so next up is the verses, and we'll start with the left hand once again. So the verses go C minor, E flat minor instead of the major. So the difference between what we did in the intro is that instead of this G, it's a G flat, but the other two notes stay the same. So C minor to E flat minor to A flat major, which is A flat, C, and the E flat. You'll notice that these two notes are used a lot. So one more time, C minor, E flat minor, A flat major. Now you could also play this A flat major like this, but I find that the voicing just doesn't fit right with the melody personally, so I like to bring this A flat all the way down, even though it is kind of a jarring jump from this chord to this one. But I mean, do what you want. You can always embellish these chords as you like. As long as you just follow the, harmonic structure of it, you should be fine. Whatever sounds good. But once again, just like the intro, these hold for 4 beats. So it's very simple. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. And yeah, actually this A flat major repeats twice. I forgot to mention that, but there you go. So 1 measure, 2 measure, 3 measure, 4 measure. Very simple, nothing crazy there. For the melody, for the verses, it's very simple. It's just gonna be G, G, A flat, G, and then you go to the G flat, G flat, G flat, A flat, G flat, then you go E flat, so once again, just follow along if you can. The second chord, finally to the third chord. And then together as I just played. And then this repeats twice. And then we head on to the chorus. Okay, now on to the chorus. We start with the left hand on F minor. So that is an F, the A flat, and the C. for 4 beats, and then we move our pinky from the F to the E flat, but we keep the other two fingers there. So we're going to be playing an A flat major. So F minor, A flat major, C minor, and then that E flat major again. So a little slower once again. The F minor, 2, 3, 4, and then pinky down, keep the other two there. A flat major, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then C minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, just like the intro. E flat major, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's the 4-chord progression that you'll be playing during the chorus, which goes for about 8 measures if I remember correctly. And now for the melody run, it's so very simply put, it's right, the way the chorus ends. So to break that down, the left hand's doing the same progression, except for when we get to the C minor, we, instead of going to the E flat major, we actually bring the thumb down to this G flat, and then it's pinky down to the B. So we play a B major chord. We hit that twice. And that's how the chorus ends for the left hand. And so for the melody line on the second half of the chorus, it's pretty much the same up until the second measure. Let me show you what I mean. So the first measure, here's where it's different. Then you just tap the same note with the chord again. So the difference lies here when we hear on the C minor and on the G here. Just a very smooth run from G, A flat, G, F, E flat. You'll hear it, and if you follow along to the song, it'll probably make more sense. I hope I'm making some sense here, but there you go. That's the chorus. So for those of you familiar with the song, it goes verse 1, chorus, verse 2, chorus. And so I've shown you all those parts. Now what happens after the second chorus, we enter this bridge breakdown section, and I'll show you how that goes. So this left hand is going to go from the F minor. It's going to actually be very similar to the chorus. I'll show you what I mean. F minor, A flat major, C minor, and then actually the B flat major. So that's how the bridge goes. 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. And then the right hand melody line goes like this. C, 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 D, like we're used to, but then it goes C, E flat, C, B flat, C, B flat, C, G, C, B flat, C, G. And if you want to see how that plays with the left hand, it's very simple. I actually use my thumb for the C on these parts because just easier for my mind to comprehend that way. So I just do it this way. Back to the intro. So that's the bridge that leads into the intro right before we go into the final chorus of the song. And actually that's everything you need to know. There's only really those 3 segments of the song: intro, verse, chorus, and bridge. And sorry, I guess that's 4 segments. And then if you actually listen to the song, you can see how the pattern's broken down, but I'll also put it on screen so you can follow along. It pretty much just goes intro, verse 1, chorus 1, verse 2, chorus 2, bridge with that added intro line right before we go into chorus 3, and then the outro is actually the same part as the bridge. So I hope this video was helpful. Hopefully it wasn't confusing. I wish I could describe it in better musical terms, but maybe if you just play along and just follow what I'm doing, it'll make sense. And especially if you listen to the song when you finally learn the individual parts, such as the chords and the melody line, it'll come along a lot faster. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Man, y'all just don't know about this life I'm living right now, man. I'm just fucking loving life, bro. Just gotta love that life, bro.